Hello students, in this video you will come to know what is GSTR 1 and how to file GSTR 1 return. GSTR 1 is a monthly return of outward supplies. It is a return showing all the sales transactions of a business. GSTR 1 is a sales return that is required to be filed by every GST registered person with the government. Taxpayers are to enter details relevant to their sales and outward supplies in the GSTR 1 sales return. First, let's choose GSTR 1 in GST reports window. Now select Export GSTR 1. Here you are getting three formats. Choose Excel spreadsheet format. Through Excel, convert it into GSN file. Keep the file name and location like this. And open exported file is Yes here. Accept Yes. Let's save this file. Continue and close this file. If you want to upload this file, go to GST portal. Go to Downloads and choose Offline Tools. Click on the first option, that is Returns Offline tool. Here we are getting GSTR 1 and GSTR 2 form. Click on Download. Here we are getting information window. Are you sure you want to download this utility? Click on Proceed and the file will get downloaded. Now we need to install that setup in our PC. Let's select GST Offline tool. Double click on it. Do Next, Next, Next. This will install GST Offline tool on your computer. We are getting this shortcut icon on the desktop of our PC. Click on it. Go to New. You will get two options, GSTR 1 and GSTR 2. Obviously, you have to select GSTR 1 and put GST number. Choose the tax period. Choose the sex taxpayer as No. Then proceed. Click on Import File. We won't go section-wise. Rather, we would select Import Excel. Browse and choose the file name. Select Open. A warning window will appear. Are you sure you want to save data? Choose Yes. Return details added. Click on View Summary. We are getting that all data got filled up. Now click on Generate File. Click here and save on desktop. Now directly go to GST portal. Log in with user ID and password. Go to Return Dashboard. Select Financial Year. Select Return Filing Period. then search. Two options are available, out of which click on Prepare Offline. Now go to Choose File. Select the file where you have saved it. Whenever you will upload the file, go to Returns after 15-20 minutes. Now choose Online. You may need to fill Documents Issued. Click on Add Document. Whatever is your invoice number, fill up from and to, total number, cancelled. In this way, your debit note, credit note, revised invoice, receipt voucher, payment voucher, whatever you have issued, you have to put the invoice number. After going through all these steps, you need to click on Acknowledgement. And finally, click on Submit. Then your return will be filed. Similarly, you need to return file for GSTR 3.